Good morning, guys. Well, Chairman Powell breaks no new ground in his opening statement, offering a relatively upbeat assessment of the economic recovery while maintaining it is still too early to begin talking about cutting back on monetary policy support. The economy is on track for its strongest growth in decades, Powell says, but taking a line from the latest Fed statement adds, we continue to expect that it will be appropriate to maintain the current target range for the federal funds rate until the Fed reaches its goals of maximum sustainable employment and inflation averaging 2%, in Powell's words, for some time. While he doesn't specifically refer to yesterday's unexpectedly high CPI reading, Powell does say that inflation has increased notably and will likely remain elevated in coming months before moderating. Most inflation pressures, he says, are coming from the reopening of the economy, from base effects, and from supply chain challenges, and they should start to fade. What's important, Powell says, is that measures of inflation expectations have moved up from their pandemic lows and are in a range that the Fed considers consistent with the FOMC's longer-run inflation goal. The labor market has improved, Powell says, although minorities have yet to see significant benefits, and he predicts that, quote, job gains should be strong in coming months as public health conditions continue to improve and as some of the other pandemic-related factors currently weighing them down diminish. While substantial further progress that the Fed is looking for hasn't been achieved yet, the committee will continue to discuss when they should start tapering, Powell adds, and they will talk about it in future meetings. So not a lot of meat in there, guys, but the Fed sticking to its guns, even in the face of those higher inflation readings.
Michael McKee, with that complete report, I think we've got to go to the soap opera at hand, which is Lawrence Summers, who you and I know well, with the Biden administration yesterday and some illusion that maybe he talked to them about who would be the next Fed chairman. Would Mr. Powell be reappointed? Will you listen today, or what will you listen for today from Chairman Powell that affirms his desire to continue as chairman?
I don't think you'll get anything, Tom. I think he will be asked, and he will say what he always says: I'm focused on doing my job right now. The decision is up to the president.